Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show you the new option of creating stock by offset of model. This is particularly helpful when working with HSR and HSM, when you're working with molds. If I were to go into my stock, we'll be choosing the option of 3D model. Our model is this part over here, but we've added now the option of model offset. So if I were to say, put a model offset of 10 millimeters, if I were to click on show, you'll see that the model has now been offset in all directions by 10 millimeters. This is extremely helpful when working with molds. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.